Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good day to my fellow panel, technologist Muhammad Azali bin Muhammad Sapi and Dr. Aliza binti Cik Amran. My name is Amirul Nazrin bin Azali and I am from Faculty of Electrical and Electronic Technology. My supervisor name is Technology Shahrudin bin Zakaria. Today I would like to present my bachelor degree project, the development of Internet of Things automatic clothes folding machine with recovering system. This is my poster for my bachelor degree project, the development of IoT automatic clothes folding machine with recovering system. This project presents the clothes folding machine using ESP32 servo motor, IR sensor and IoT technology. This project will ensure the machine represent an automatic system of mechanical design and electrical control design. The metal gear servo motor MG996R moves sequentially to flip the clothes. For the controlling process using IoT technology, this project can be operated and give indicator through interface software application called Blink. As a result, it design clearly demonstrate how to fold a clothes, such as folding the rear of the sleeves, folding the bottom of the shirt like the professional did. Finally, fold the clothes with the Internet of Things. Button controlling is the feature of this project. For my problem statement, folding all the clothes once come out from dryer is tedious and time-consuming task. Manual folding certainly inconsistency make the clothes folding still look messy. Existing clothes folding machines are a bit too expensive to own. The system need to be upgraded, follow the industry 2.0. So the objective of the project is invented a low-cost electronic automatic clothes folding machine to analyze the capability in terms of speed of machine to complete folding in one cycle. Next, to provide more economic, less energy consumption machine to achieve and meet the types, weight, sizes of the clothes that will be ready to be folded with quick folding. To create a safe automation clothes folding machine is the last objective of this project. Next, this is my end product, as you can see at the back of me. So here is my flowchart. For flowchart explanation, once I push the start button, the physical push button, the servo motor at flipboard 1 will move forward and then backward. After that, the IR sensor will detect obstacle or no. If there is no obstacle, the servo flipboard 2 will do the same process as servo flipboard at 1. The process still do the same movement for servo flipboard 3 and 4. After that, the ESP32 will process the movement. If the clothes folding is finished, the system will end. Back to the infrared sensor. If the infrared sensor detect the obstacle, the process will go to the ESP32 and the ESP32 will repeat the process again. Then we go to the next part where is methodology. In this methodology chapter, I will introduce the component that I will use. There is ESP32 as my microcontroller, and there is got a control button, physical control button to start the process, and the IR sensor for the recovery system, and the blink button is for to activate the blink application. Next, for the output part, which is multi-servo motor. For this project, I use 4 servo motor MG996R. The servo is powered up by external power supply since I use a multi-servo motor. In addition, the ESP32 have a Wi-Fi connectivity which is allowed Internet of Things to connect to the device such as phone and PC. As the result, as we can see, the flipboard fold the clothes sequentially. At the initial condition, the shirts are placed at the right position. After that, as we push the push button, the servo motor A will turn 180, means it move forward. After that, servo motor A will turn backward at 0 degree. The process stay the same until motor servo D. Lastly, as we can see, the machine will produce folded clothes that folded with nice and neatly. For the potential of commercialization, it is reasonable price with a smart design. Enable IoT user can access web anywhere. Other than that, it's suitable to use for several age since this machine is safe. For the next part is economic electronic equipment for industry such as hospitality, laundry, and home appliance can fold the clothes at any place in the house area. Last but not least, in the conclusion, this project has been successfully developed a functional automated clothes for the machine using Node MCU ESP32 dev kit as the central processor to control the overall system. User can control anywhere in real time by using Internet of Things (IoT). Last, the machine could fold clothes in fast and tidily. For the demonstration video, the next video will perform how my product project working and its feature. For the demonstration video, I would like to show how the machine will work and how to manage the machine. First of all, we got a switch power button and a LED indicator, the switch button, and the blink activated push button. So here the initial condition, after we push the power switch, the green LED will light up, indicate the machine are ready to run. After that, we push the both switch button once, the flipboard will flip once, and then we push other button another time, so the flip will continue until end. Now, let me try with the short pen. First of all, we need to push the both push button once, and the flipboard one will flip, and then the process will continue and make the pens out of the board. So, for the next clothes is t-shirt. So, firstly, we must put the t-shirt on the right position, and then we push the start push button, and then we push again, and the system will run until the clothes out of the flipping board. So next is we want to try the safety of the automation machine. So we'll do the process with same like the folding clothes. Push the push button once and push again once. After that, we will try the IR sensor by blocking the IR sensor. So the machine will stop at the mid, whereas the last servo is servo C, and the servo D will stop the operation. So here are the in front camera where I want to try the safety of the machine. So the machine will stop the process until I touch the IR sensor, which means the IR sensor detect obstacle on the machine. So there is red indicator show the machine is stopped. For the next part is we want to try the IoT connectivity with the machine. First of all, we must open the blink application in our PC or phone, and we can obtain the status of the machine is connect or not. First, we must push the blink activation push button at the machine, and the machine will indicate green LED, means that the machine are already connected with the blink application. Before we push the start on the blink application, we must put the clothes at the right position, and then as we can see, after I push the start button on the blink application, the machine will start folding the clothes. That's all my presentation and my demonstration video. Thank you very much.